Hello, my name is Yoel Molina, and thank you again for visiting my page. I'm a business and corporate attorney. Thank you for visiting social media. We're based here in Miami, Florida. We serve clients from across the globe, across the U.S. with business and corporate matters here in Florida. At this moment, I want to talk to you a little bit about in the future. Partnerships can be exciting. Business partners oftentimes it come from the most predictable situations: brothers, sisters, father, son, best friends, colleagues, close family members. And oftentimes I say to myself, what do we need to put anything in writing for? We know each other for so long. What could possibly go wrong? But ask any litigator, they'll tell you everything can go wrong, and they oftentimes do. But with 3 points that I would suggest to you, you can avoid these issues. Number one, no matter how close and how friendly you are with your business partner, it makes sense to put everything in writing. Just put it in writing and make sure that everybody knows their obligation, expectation, work responsibilities, capital investment, and anything else that you want to expect from the other side, and vice versa, to make sure that nothing runs afoul against things going wrong. If something does go wrong, there should be an agreement, a written dispute resolution, meaning a written out process to resolve any problem that you guys cannot agree on for whatever reason. And lastly, number 3, make sure that you guys, you and your partners review this agreement. Some will advise once a year, as often as you think is necessary, but at least no less than twice a year, you should review this agreement. And trust me, you'll be much happier in the end by having everything here in writing. And you can preserve not just maybe your business, but an important relationship. My name is Yoel Molina. My friends call me Mo. Please contact us if you can be of help. Take care.